With the vision of better self-driving, better water bodies, ORCAUBOAT is at the forefront of merging autonomous technology with water bodies maintenance. Our dedicated team provides 3 remarkable robots: SMURF Surface Cleaning Robot, WASTEWHALE Surface Cleaning Robot, and MOSHARK Surface Mowing Robot. These robots serve for one-stop solutions for smart water bodies maintenance, including garbage identification and collection, water quality monitoring, aquatic plant removal, security patrols, etc. They are suitable for various water bodies such as lakes, rivers, reservoirs, wharves, coastlines, etc. ORCAUBOAT surface cleaning robots have been deployed across 10 countries, spanning over 50 cities and serving more than 100 water bodies, with a mileage record of over 650,000 kilometers. But our journey doesn't end. As a member of the United Nations Global Partnership on Marine Leader, ORCAUBOAT actively promotes ESG initiatives to foster sustainable practices. With the mission to end surface garbage with robots and to endow water bodies with self-driving, ORCAUBOAT leads the charge in technology for cleaner, smarter, and more sustainable water ecosystems.